1565 Crossflow and 17 TL. Changed this morning.
All the pretty girls go out on Saturday night. Whoa. Frying out the hair, what to wear, making sure they look right. They look just right. And all the pretty boys line up to take them out for a spin. Try not to break them. All the pretty girls go out on Saturday night. You don't notice, you don't know shit. You don't know shit. Now the pretty boys and the girls get to go for a ride. Oh, cruising from the bar after dark and everything's fine. Yeah, it's just fine. Go into the hall, reapply the makeup, put some more cologne on. It's time to shake things up. The pretty boys and the girls get to go for a ride. You don't notice, you don't know shit. So don't tell me you don't notice, you don't know.
So here we go, after being seized for I don't know how long. We have our soaking, and see, can we get this hard to see? Yeah. On the flywheel.